Welcome. Today we are going deep on Midjourney vs DALL-E 3 vs Stable Diffusion, Best AI Image Tool 2025. This is one of the most important and fast-moving. Let's start with the fundamentals of Midjourney vs DALL-E 3 vs Stable Diffusion, Best AI Image Tool 2025. The core idea is more accessible than most people assume. At its heart, it is about solving a specific problem that older methods struggled with. Three forces converge to make this possible: abundant data, cheap compute, and better algorithms. Together they unlock something qualitatively new. Understanding this foundation will make everything that follows much clearer. Now let's look at how it actually works under the hood. The architecture is elegant once you see the key components. Raw information is ingested and structured. It then passes through transformation layers, each learning patterns at a different level of abstraction. Early layers pick up simple features. Deeper layers understand complex relationships. The final layer produces a decision, prediction, or generated output. What makes this powerful is that the system improves automatically. The more data it sees, the better it gets. The real-world applications are where this becomes genuinely exciting. In healthcare, these systems detect diseases earlier and more accurately than human specialists. In finance, they identify fraud in real time across millions of transactions per second. Education is being personalized at a scale that was never before possible. Creative industries, film, music, design, writing, are being fundamentally transformed. And perhaps most significantly, a small team can now build what would have required hundreds of engineers a decade ago. No technology comes without challenges, and we should be honest about them. Data quality is the biggest hurdle. Models trained on flawed data produce flawed results. Algorithmic bias is real and has genuine consequences for real people. Interpretability is another major issue. These systems can be black boxes. Compute costs are enormous, raising serious questions about access and sustainability. And the ethical questions around privacy, job displacement, and misuse are not hypothetical, they are happening now. The field is working on all of this, but solutions are not yet complete. Where is this heading over the next 5 to 10 years? The trajectory is unlike anything we have seen in the history of technology. Researchers are converging towards systems that combine language, vision, reasoning, and action in a single architecture. Some believe genuinely general reasoning systems are within reach this decade. Others are more cautious on timelines but equally convinced of the direction. What is undeniable is that the pace of progress is not slowing. Understanding this technology now places you ahead of the vast majority of people on Earth. Let's bring it all together. We covered the fundamentals, the technical architecture, the real-world applications, the challenges and limitations, and the future direction. If this was useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. We publish a new deep dive every single day.